In this video, I will show you how to edit a PDF on your laptop step by step, and this is a simple beginner-friendly guide. So with that being said, let's get started. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to google.com. From here, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. And once you've done that, you want to click onto this apps icon, so for Google Apps. And then what you want to do is click to go to your Google Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive, come over to the left-hand side and click the New button to open up your file. So on this menu, click on File Upload. What you can then do is use your computer's File Explorer to find the PDF that you want to upload. And once you've done that, you're going to see in the bottom right hand corner, it's going to start uploading to your Google Drive. Once the upload has finished, give it a click and that's going to open up your PDF. So you can see my PDF here, this is just an example one. And if you come up to the top, you're going to see it says open with Google Docs. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open this PDF with Google Docs, which is going to enable you to edit your PDF. So if I go through, you're going to see, for example, if I want to change some text, I can, for example, change this bit here. We can add text, we can delete text, and we can do things like insert images as well. And you can do this using Google Docs. So that is how to edit a PDF on your laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.